Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to see your YouTube recap in 2022. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then in here, search for Video Recap. Now look for the Video Recap, the one that has a YouTube icon. In here, videorecap.videoodyssey.com will appear. Now click on It's My First Time. Guide me through the process. This will be an additional layer for us to be guided. This is step 1. The first is to visit Google Takeout for YouTube. Next is step 2. Under multiple formats, select JSON for history. Up next is step 3. Under all YouTube data included, select history. Now, for step 4, click on Export or click on Create Export. Again, this is step number 4. Now let's go to step 5. After a few minutes, check your email and download the data report. Next is step 6. Unzip the file and upload the watch history.json below. It is found at takeout/YouTube and YouTube music history watch history.json. All you have to do is upload that same code over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.